Hi guys, I'm Rehana. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet 5 flowers. They are really simple and very useful. You can use it for most of the things. For example, crochet blanket, crochet top, crochet dress, design of the crochet hat, crochet bag, or everything. This flower is very useful for design everything of crochet things. Okay, let's go to see these 5 of crochet flower. Okay, before I learn to you, I use cotton yarn and I use the hook. The size of the hook is 30mm. So for the first flower, I'm going to make magic ring like this. Put the hook here and then here. Then make just one chain in this part. Yes. Now I have magic ring into this circle. Then I'm going to make single crochet into this magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now I have 8 single crochet into this magic ring. So for the next step, I'm going to make just one chain in the first stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 here in the first stitch. So I put the hook here and make a slip stitch. Now I have this small circle. Now I make one chain and then 4 chain, 3 and 4. Then in the next stitch here, make just one single crochet. Then we need 4 chain, and then again in the next stitch just one single crochet. So you must continue this set until you arrive here. Now I finished this set and I have 8 of this shape. Then for the next step, I'm going to go to this hole in the first hole and make a slip stitch. Then I'm going to make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, then 2 chain, and again 2 single crochet into the first hole. Now I complete this hole. Then again I'm going to go to the next hole and make 2 single crochet, then 2 chain like before, and then again 2 single crochet. So you must continue as this until again you arrive here. Now I complete this set and I have this shape. And for the last step, in the first stitch I'm going to make just one slip stitch and one chain. Then cut the yarn and I use a needle to hide the extra yarn. Now I have the first flower. So let's go to see the next crochet flower. For the next crochet flower, again I'm going to make magic ring like this. And then into this magic ring I'm going to make double crochet, 1, 2, 3. We need 12 of this double crochet into this magic ring. Now I have 12 single crochet into this magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So in here in the 12th stitch, make a slip stitch, and then you can use a different color of yarn or don't use. It is your decide. Then put the hook here in the first stitch and here, and then make 16 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Now I have 16 of this chain. and then again put the hook here into the next stitch and make just one single crochet. Then again we need 16 chain. Now I complete this 16 chain, and again put the hook here into the next stitch and make another single crochet here like this. Okay, so you must continue as this until again you arrive here, and in the end you must 12 of this shape. Okay, now I finished this and I have 12 of this shape. Then for the next step you must put the hook here in this part and make just one slip stitch, and then cut the yarn and use a needle to hide the extra yarn. Now we have the next flower crochet. So let's go to see the third flower crochet. For the next flower, again I'm going to make slip knot and make 6 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chains, and then put the hook here in the first chain and make a slip stitch. Now you have this shape, and then for the next step make 3 chain like this, and then put the hook here and make double crochet but not complete. Again put the hook here, make another double crochet like this, and again put the hook here and make another double crochet, then together, and now we need 3 chain, and then put the hook here into this circle and make slip stitch. Again make 3 chains and put the hook here, 1, 2 and 3, then all of them together and make 3 chain, and then again put the hook here and make a slip stitch. You must continue as this until you have 6 of this shape. Now I have 6 of this shape, and then for the next step, for the hook, put the hook here and make just 1 chain and cut the yarn. So now we have the next flower, as you can see. For the next flower, make a slip knot first and then make 6 chains, 5 and 6. Put the hook here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 here in the first chain and make a slip knot. Now we have this ring, then make 1 chain, and here into this ring make single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 12 of this single crochet. Then make a slip stitch in the first stitch, make 1 chain and then make 3 chain like this, and skip this stitch, and in the next stitch make just 1 single crochet. Then we need 3 chains, skip this stitch, and here make just 1 single crochet. So 3 chains, skip this, and here make just 1 single crochet. So you must continue again until you arrive here. For the last set, I have 3 chains. Skip this stitch, and here in the first stitch make just 1 slip stitch, and now I have this hole. I have 6 of these holes. Then make 3 chains and then put the hook here into the first hole and yarn over for 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then yarn over into this all of this loop and make again 3 chain, 2 and 3. Then put the hook into the next hole and make a slip stitch. So again make 3 chains, put the hook here for 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then yarn over into this olive loop and make 3 chains, and then again put the hook here into the next hole. So you must continue this until again you arrive here. For the next flower, this is the last flower. Again make a slip knot, and now you need 6 chains. Now I have 6 chains. Then put the hook here in the first chain and make a slip stitch. Now you have this ring. Then make 3 chain and double crochet, 1 and 2. Now I have 2 double crochet with this chain. Then we need 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and again put the hook into this ring and make double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3, and again we need 5 chains. So you must continue this set until you have 5 of this shape. Now I complete these 5 sets and I make 5 chains. Then I put the hook here into the third chains and make a slip stitch. Then again I'm going to make a slip stitch in the next stitch. And now here into this middle stitch we need 1 chain and just 1 single crochet. Then I put the hook here into the next hole and make half double crochet. Then put the hook here, make 1 double crochet, again 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet and 4 double crochet. Then make 3 chains, and here between these 2 loops make single crochet and again 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then just 1 half double crochet, and again put the hook here into the middle stitch and make just 1 single crochet. So we need 1 half double crochet, 4 double crochet, picot, it is 3 chains with single crochet, again 4 double crochet and 1 half double crochet in each hole. Now I complete this flower and I arrive here. So again in the middle stitch make a slip stitch and 1 chain, and again cut the yarn and use a needle to hide the extra yarn. This is the most beautiful flower. Wow, crochet flower is very pleasure. I like this. Okay, now I complete this crochet flower. This is so easy and you can make it in different color. I love all of this flower. They are so nice. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please like, and if you want, subscribe my channel. I will teach you a lot of things about crochet pattern. Thank you.